Hey there, future financial wizards. If you're holding your shiny new Tymebank credit card and wondering how to get it up and running for 2025, you've come to the right place. Activating your card is a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes, and it'll open up a world of convenient spending and rewards. Whether you're a Tymebank newbie or just upgrading, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Tymebank app downloaded on your smartphone. It's free and available on both the App Store and Google Play. Once it's installed, open the app and log in with your existing Tymebank username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one quickly. It's super easy and only requires your ID and some basic details. Now, head over to the Cards or Accounts section in the app menu. Look for your credit card option. It might say Activate Card or something similar. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your card details, like the 16-digit card number and the CVV code on the back. Don't worry, this is all secure. Next, you'll likely receive a one-time PIN, OTP, via SMS to your registered phone number. Enter that code into the app to verify your identity. This is just an extra layer of security to protect you from fraud. Once verified, confirm the activation, and voila! Your card is now active and ready to use. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the app not recognizing your card, double-check your internet connection or contact Tymebank's customer support through the app. They're available 24/7 and can help resolve problems fast. Also, remember to set up transaction alerts in the app to keep track of your spending and stay on top of your budget. There you have it, folks. Your Tymebank credit card is now activated and set for all your 2025 adventures. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next video.